Welcome to Gimp Instagram tutorial part 3. We have set up the guides in the last tutorial. Now we can bring in more graphics elements. You want an arrow that is white and have transparency shown as checkerboard. Once you import the arrow in, the arrow graphics is in its own layer. To bring the arrow into the photo image, click and drag the layer image over the photo icon on the top. Once you release the mouse, you can see that arrow has been copied and brought over as a separate layer inside the photo workspace. As a separate layer, you can still turn the arrow off if needed. The arrow is too big. Let us scale the arrow down. Click on United Transform tool. Select Scale tool. Select the arrow. You can now scale by dragging the corners with the mouse down. Scale down more accurately by entering the amount in the scale window. Set the height to 100 pixels. It is locked to scale proportionally. Press M to get to the Move tool. When you move the arrow around, you can feel that it's snapping to the grid. Duplicate the arrow 4 more times by clicking the Duplicate Layer tool. With the original arrow, there will be 5 arrows in total. We want to distribute all the arrow layers into a defined area. We start by first selecting the background layer. Use the rectangle select tool and draw a box selection. You can still move the selection box around. Put it in the middle of the grid. We can also set the rectangle select box to 600 pixel. Click on Alignment tool with the selection box still activated. Select all the arrows in the canvas. Go to Alignment Inspector and choose Relative to Selection. Under Distribution, make sure you set the offset X to 0. Click on the icon to distribute targets evenly and horizontal. Now we have all the arrows equally distributed inside the selection. Next, we want to merge all the arrows into one layer. Go to the top arrow layer and click on the merge icon. This will merge the top layer to the layer below it. Merging the layer downwards to the original. Now, all the arrows are on a single layer. Double-click on the layer to rename it as Arrow. Duplicate this newly merged arrow. And move it towards the second grid. This graphic arrow element will guide the viewer to swipe right to see the full image post. We will be adding some text in the next chapter. See you there.